Hello and welcome, dear children. Hope you are well and doing well in your studies. I'm Yojna Parak and I welcome you all in this channel. So, today's our topic is very simple and I will try to make it more easily understandable for you. So, our topic is adverbs. Now, in this title, you can see after add, verb is there. That means it is describing about verb. So by the name you can understand that adverb is for verb, for describing more about verb. That action is done, but how that action is done, that describing word is known as adverb. So an adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Clear? Now let's see the example. The sun is shining. Sun is subject. Is helping verb. Shining, that is verb. But how it shines? Brightly. So shining is there, that is your verb. But the word which describes more about shining. How that shines? The sun shines brightly. So shining is very bright. So bright is the word that describes more about shining. Brightly, that is your adverb, and shining is your verb. Then next sentence. It is hot outside. It is subject. Is your helping verb. Hot. So that is your verb or adjective. So how it is? It is hot. But where? Outside. So that is the describing word of an adjective. That is called adverb. So adverb may describe about verb, adjective or any other adverb. Next is mother wakes up quite early every morning. Mother is subject. Wakes up, that is verb. But how she wakes up? Quite early every morning. She wakes up every morning, but how? Early. When she wakes up? Early. So we know that she wakes up, that is your verb. But when, how, what, where? So this kind of answers which are given to you that describe more about the verb, that when that verb was done, when that action was done, where that action was done, how that action was done. So those describing words which describe more about verb, adjective or any other adverb, that word is called adverb. See, so when you get the answer of how, where and when the action was done, so the answer is your adverb. Now let's see how adverbs. How, that means that describe the quality of the verb or adjective. So first example is the soldier fought. How? Bravely. So fight was done, but how? That fight was done bravely. So that is the describing word for fighting, that the fighting was done bravely. So bravely is adverb of fought. Next is Anuj run fast. How? Anuj runs fast. So fast is adverb of running. So here Anuj is subject, run is your verb, but how he runs? He runs fast. That means his running is very fast. The word which describe about his running is fast. So the word which describe more about verb, that word is called adverb. So here run is your verb and the word which describe more about this verb, that is how Anuj runs, he runs fast. So how that running is done? Fast. So fast is for running, that describe more about running. So the word which describe more about verb, that is called adverb. Now the next adverb is where adverb. That will describe you about the time, about the place. First example is given. Vipul go inside. Vipul is subject, go is your verb. But where to go? Inside. So going is your action, that is your verb. But where that action will occur? So that word which describe where that action will occur, that means it is describing more about the verb. So that is your adverb. So inside here is describing the place where Vipul has to go. Vipul has to go, but where he has to go? Inside. So that place which is describing that where that action will occur, that word is called adverb. Next is keep these boxes there. So keep these boxes. In this sentence there is no subject. Keep, that is your verb. The boxes are your object. But where to keep? There. So keeping is your action, but where that action is to be occurred, that is the describing word that clarifies more about the verb. So that is your adverb. Here where the boxes are to be kept, there. So the place is specified where the action is to be occurred. So there is your adverb. Next is when adverb. In when adverb, the time of or the period of action will be described. When that action will occur. So we have seen how the action occurs, where the action occurs, and now we will see when the action occurs. So that word which is describing or specifying or clarifying about the action, that word is our adverb. Now let's see the example. Rima wasn't well yesterday. Rima is your subject, was is your helping verb, well is the action or verb, that is your position or situation. Clear? So verb involves action, position and situation. Here well is your situation, or so Rima wasn't well, in that the Rima's condition, Rima's situation is not well. But when the time is or the period is of yesterday. Rima wasn't well yesterday. So it is describing or specifying or clarifying the verb that she was not well, but when? Yesterday. Next is John will watch this film later. John is your subject, will is your helping verb, watch is your verb, and the film is your object. So John will watch the film. So it is clear that he will watch the film, but when? So that will clarify the watching of film more clearly. The verb, the word which is describing more about the verb, that is your adverb. So here the watching of film will be done, but when? Later, after some time. So watching is your verb, but when that verb will occur, that describing word is your adverb. So when they will watch, when John will watch this film later. So watching will be done, but when? Later. So it is describing that this action will occur after some time. It is describing more about the action, so that is your adverb. Now I hope the concept of adverb is clear to you, that it describes more about the verb. It specifies, clarifies or explain more about the verb. That is why it is called adverb. And adverb is also used for adjectives at some places, and also used for adverbs to specify the particular adverb more clearly. One more adverb is used. So in this way we have seen few examples of adverb, that how adverb is used, why it is used, and how you can identify that this is your adverb. So first thing, the definition of adverb is that adverb is describing word of verb, adjective or other adverb, and it is used to clarify, specify, or to easily understand, to give the easy understanding about the action, that how that action will occur, when that action will occur, and where that action will occur. So that is giving more clarification about the verb or adjective. That is why, to give more clarification about the verb or adjective, adverb is used. And mostly in adverb you will see ly at last. So that is the identification of adverb. So when you see the word which is having ly at last, so that can be your adverb, and that is used to clarify the verb or adjective. Now let us see the exercise. I hope the concept is clear to you. So that will be examined by this exercise. We can analyze that how much you have understood. So first exercise is given. In this, you have to underline the adverb, and that is to how adverb. So here we will see the sentence and we will try to find out the how adverbs. First sentence is, the students solved the sum easily. So the students are subject, solved, that is your verb, the sum is your object. So how the sum was solved? Easily. The sum was solved, but how? Easily. So it is describing that the action was done easily. Easily is your adverb, how adverb. So when you question how the action was done, the answer will be your how adverb. Let us see the next example. My brother dressed smartly for the party. My brother is subject, dressed, that is your verb. How he dressed? Smartly. So that is your how adverb. We saw the lion sleeping peacefully. The lion, we saw, we is your subject. So that is your verb. Again, the lion is another subject. Sleeping is another verb, and how that sleeping was done? Peacefully. So how the action was done? Peacefully. So that is your how adverb. Next is, everyone waited patiently for the roadblock to clear. Everyone is your subject. Waited, that is action. How that action was done? Patiently. So that is your how adverb. That is describing about the action. Patiently is your how adverb. Next sentence, Lata folded all the clothes neatly. Lata is your subject. Folded is your action or verb. Clothes is your object. Clothes are your object. So Lata folded all the clothes, but how? Neatly. So the action was done neatly. Neatly is your how adverb. Next sentence, Raj sang melodiously. Raj is your subject. Sang is your verb. How he sang? Melodiously. So that is your how adverb. Now next sentence, read the instructions carefully. Here there is no subject. It is beginning with the verb. Read, that is your verb. The instructions, that is your object. How the instruction will be read? That will be read carefully. So how we have to read carefully. Carefully is the how adverb. That means this is the word that is describing how the action will be done. The action is reading. How that action will be done? That means how that reading will be done? Carefully. So carefully is the how adverb used for the action read. Next sentence. Mother put the toys away quickly. Who put? Mother. So mother is your subject. What she did? Put. So put is your verb. How she put? Quickly. Quickly is your how adverb. The answer of the question how the action was done, that is your how adverb. Next exercise. Circle the when adverb in these sentences. Okay, here few sentences are given, and in these sentences you have to circle the when adverb. That means when the answer of the question when that action occurred, that is your when adverb. First question. I could not go to the carnival. When? Yesterday. So yesterday is describing that when that action was to be done. So I wanted to go, but I couldn't go. When I couldn't go? Yesterday. So going is your action, and the word which is describing about your action, that when that action occurred, that is your when adverb. So going was your action, but when you had to go? Yesterday. So yesterday is your when adverb. Next is let's hurry as our train leaves soon. So leaving is the verb, but when that action will occur, that word which is describing that when that action will occur, that is your when adverb. So leaving is your action, but when the train will leave soon. So the period is described when that action will occur. The train will leave soon. Leaving is the action, and when that action occur, very soon. So soon is the when adverb. Next is I am working on my project now. I is your subject, working is your verb, and when that action is occurring, working is done now. So the period is specified that when that action is occurring, the action is working and this action is occurring now. So now is used to clarify that working will be done now. So the word that is describing about verb and clarifying that when that action will occur, that is your when adverb. So I am working when? Now. So now is your when adverb. Next is my grandparents are visiting us tomorrow. My grandparents is subject, are is your helping verb, visiting is your verb, and when that action will occur, tomorrow. So tomorrow is your when adverb. Next, I am still reading the book. So I is your subject, am is your helping verb, reading is your verb, is your action, and when that action will occur, still. The action is still continue. So the period of action is specified here, that reading is your action and that action is performing right now, that is continue. So the word that is describing that when this action is occurring, that is your when adverb. So reading is your action and when this action is occurring, still, that means it is continue. So still is your when adverb. Next sentence, I will send the clothes for ironing later. So here sending is the action and when that action will occur, later. So it is specifying or clarifying the particular time or the particular period of occurring of action, that is your when adverb. So send is your verb, and when will you send the clothes? Later. So later is the specified period that when that action will occur. So later is your when adverb. Next is grandmother gets up to pray early in the morning. Grandmother is your subject, gets up is your verb, and when she gets up early in the morning. So that is the period when the action occurred. So when that action occurred, the answer is your when adverb. When grandmother gets up early, early is your when adverb. Next sentence, we are going to our cousin's house tonight. We is your subject, are is your helping verb, going is your main verb, and when that action will occur, tonight. So tonight is the describing word of verb that describe that when that action will occur. So that is your when adverb. So your verb is going, and when will you go? Tonight. So tonight is your when adverb. Now here sentences are given and you have to add the adverb according to the sentence. Let's see the first question. There is dust and pollution. So dust and pollution is there. Now we can't ask the question when the dust and pollution is there. It is there. The period is not asked. But there, that means the place is asked. So where is the dust and pollution? It is everywhere. So everywhere would be the where adverb. Here you have to fill this blanks with where adverb. So for the first one, as you can see, dust and pollution everywhere because of chemicals, because of vehicles. So due to these reasons we can see pollution and dust everywhere. So everywhere would be the correct where adverb used for here. Next is the teacher's bedroom is upstairs. Where is the bedroom? It is upstairs. So upstairs is specifying that where that action is occurring. Where is the bedroom? Bedroom is your noun. So where that is situated, that is your adverb. The position of bedroom is situated upstairs. So upstairs is the place where that situation is there. So it is describing about the verb, that where that verb is situated. It is situated upstairs. So upstairs is your where adverb. Next is Dharini, please keep the jar there. Keeping is your verb, and where it is to be kept, the place, that is there. So there is your where adverb. Next question. I saw my grandparents walking westwards. West is your direction. So in the west direction they are moving, they are walking. So walking is your verb, and where that action is occurring, west side, that is westwards, in west direction. So the place is specified of walking, that is your where adverb. Next is we can go outside as it is raining heavily. We cannot go outside as it is raining heavily. So going is the action, and where that action will occur or where that action is not to be occur, that going is your action and you do not have to go where? Outside. So outside is your where adverb. Next is hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. So flying is the action, and where the action can be done, in the backward direction. So that specified place or that specified direction is mentioned here. So hummingbirds can fly. Fly is your verb, and where can they fly? Backwards. So backward is the direction where they can fly. So the action, the direction of the action is specified, that flying can be done in the backward direction. So backward is your where adverb. Next sentence, my best friend lives nearby. So lives is your verb and where he lives nearby. Nearby is your where adverb. When you ask the question that where that action occur, the answer is your where adverb. Eighth question is it has started raining. Let's go dash or we will be all wet. Going is the action and where to go inside. Inside is your where adverb. Now here you have to underline the verb and circle the adverb. It can be how adverb, when adverb or where adverb. So here we will try to find out the adverb and verb. So let us start this exercise. First question is Shobha danced gracefully. What she did? She danced. So dancing is your verb. How she danced? Gracefully. Gracefully is your how adverb. Next is everyone listened attentively to the Prime Minister's speech. What was done? Listening. And how the listening was done? Attentively. So listening is the action, that is your verb, and how that verb occurred, that is your adverb. So how they listened attentively, that is your how adverb. Next is I cannot find my watch anywhere. What action is being done? Find. So find is your verb and where they are finding anywhere or where they are not able to find the place or the direction, when it is described the place or direction of the verb, that is called where adverb. So here where adverb is given that they are finding something, they are finding my watch but are not able to find it. Where? Anywhere. So anywhere is your where adverb. We tracked cautiously. We tracked cautiously in this sentence. What is the action? Tracking. And how that action is being done? Cautiously. So that is your how adverb. Next, you should not speak loudly. What is the action? The action is of speaking. So speaking is your verb and how it should not be done. How, the answer of how the action occurs or how the action is not occurring. So that is your how adverb. So speaking is there, but how? Loudly. So loudly is your how adverb. Next sentence. Harry the rabbit lived happily in a forest. What is the action? The action is of living. And how they are living? Happily. So happily is your how adverb. Next is the children behaved well in front of the guest. So what is the action? That they are behaving. Behaving is your verb. And how they are behaving? Well. That means properly, in good manner. अच्छे से behave कर रहे हैं. So behavior, behaving is the verb and how that verb is done? Well. Well is your how adverb. Next sentence. The old man donated clothes to a local charity yesterday. So what is the action? The action is of donating. So donating is the verb and how that donating was done. When that donating was done, the period is specified here, yesterday. So the action occurred, but when that action occurred, that is the period of occurring of action is specified here. So that is your where adverb. Donating is your verb and how that action occurred, that means when that action occurred, that is your when adverb. So when they donated the clothes yesterday is your when adverb. Here we have completed the exercise of this chapter. And now I hope that with this exercise and with the examples and with the meaning, this topic is clear to you that what is adverb. Let us quickly revise it once again. First thing, what is adverb? The adverb is the word which is describing about what? About verb, adjective or any other adverb. So the word which is describing about verb or adjective or any other adverb, that is called adverb. And there are three types of adverb: how adverb, when adverb and where adverb. Keep in mind that it is used to clarify and specify the period, the place or the action, how that action is being done. So that word which is specifying or clarifying, which is describing about the verb or adjective, that is called adverb. And with this we have completed the meaning, examples and exercise of this chapter. Now with this we have come to an end of this video, and now we will meet in the next video with new topic. Till then, take care of yourself, be safe and keep on learning. Thanks for being with me. See you.